I'm sorry that I forgot to click the record button. So whatever I teach you right now, till now, it was not recorded. I'm sorry. From the next class, you remind me for recording, right? For recording at the beginning, if I forget, you remind me. Okay. You remind me. But so whatever I discuss, it is not recorded there. So if you don't have any question, I assume you are clear. You have no question. Then we will start now the another chapter. And now the chapter I am downloading from here. Course content is here. Now we finished chapter which chapter? We finished chapter 7. We finished chapter 7, and this is week 12, right? And week 12 we have now. We will start. We have chapter 8. We have somewhere chapter 8. Where is chapter 8? 8 here, but chapter 5, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10 also there. 9. 9 is separate somewhere here. Chapter 9 there. I am skipping for this time chapter 8. Chapter 8 will come back. Why I'm going to jumping to the chapter 9? Because chapter 7, 9, 10 is the related one to each other, right? So and chapter 8 is completely different. It's friction. So I will at the last week at the last we will start the chapter 8. Now we'll starting chapter chapter 7. Sorry, chapter 9. We'll start in chapter 9. So yes, it's downloading. For chapter 9. Chapter 9 is the center of gravity and centroid. It is also a very important chapter. Very important for if you work as an engineer. This is a very basic one, and all of your life you need this knowledge always. There is no excuse. Okay, chapter 7. We close this chapter 7 now. Sorry, chapter 9. Okay, save. For some idea you already know about the chapter 9. Sorry, it is hanged. I don't know. Just wait for a minute. Lots of things. The computer is slow itself. Chapter, this is what it is. Chapter 9, what will be? Chapter 9 is center of gravity or something. Here we'll learn the concept of the chapters, concept of the center of gravity. We determine the location. Maybe we will skip this, we'll skip this, we'll skip this. Okay. Center of gravity, we'll do center of gravity concept and the composite bodies. Today we'll start composite bodies. Okay, center of gravity. There are lots of things talking there, so there are lots of things there, but I will try to make it easy, and let's do the straight away. We'll go to the composite body. What is meant by composite body? Before that, I ask you the question. Suppose this is the rectangle. Oh, I draw it wrong. We have a rectangle. We have a rectangle. Okay, rectangle, and it is 2, and it is here. Suppose 5. Tell me where it will be its center. Tell me. Answer me please. Are you there? Are you hearing me? In the middle, yeah, in the middle, 2.5 and 1. Yes, 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 yes. Fine. Yes, thank you. Yes, but you said when you said, who said, the Kamal Ashraf said 2.5 and 1, and Abdul Rahman Abdul Nasir, you said 2.51. Answer is correct. In that case, you assume what do you assume? You assume that this is y-axis and this is x-axis. You assume that, right? This is y-axis. Only then our center will be here, x bar, we write down bar, x bar equal to 2.5, and y here, and y bar equal to 1. Y bar equal to 1, y bar. Usually when we say center x, y, right? Any point if you want to write down, like we write down x, y. But when we want to indicate center, then we write down bar. It's called bar. X bar, y bar equal to is 1, right? So your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. So, and here is the origin, right? Here is the origin. X, y is there. But same thing, same diagram is same, dimension also same. It is 5 meter, dimension is same, 5 meter, and 5 meter, and here is 2 meter, right? Same. If it is same, but our center is just here, middle, just at the middle. Our center middle means no, our axis is middle, right? Our axis is here. Sorry. Our axis is here. This is x, this is y. Now tell me where is our x bar is how much and y bar is how much? Tell me. Tell me please. 0, 0. Fine. Yes, 0, 0 here. Yes, 0. So what is thing we learned? So same thing, center depend on the CG is called center of gravity, is depend on the where is our axis, from where you are considering the distance, right? So this is now I made another rectangle on top of it. Another rectangle on top of it, right? So this is 1 meter distance. Can you tell me where will be the center now? Can you tell me easily without any very short time? Just I tell you that 10-second time. Can you tell me where will be the center? I add this one now. Can you tell me this body? What is the center now? Very quickly. Tell me yes or no. You can tell me or no. Tell me. Where will be the center? Are you listening me? Are you there? 0, 0. How come 0, 0? How come 0, 0? Center at 0, 0. So you mean center be, if I make like this now, center where will the center? 0, 0? I'm understanding 0. How? Now my section is like my drawing is like this. 2.5 here, 2.5. How come 2.5? How come 1.5? How come? How? Someone asked the question how. My question also how. Now can we cut the body to half and take the blood? Can we do this? Now if I make it more complicated, this is like this. My section is like this. My section is suppose I make the circle. Can you calculate now this one? Can you tell me? Now it is difficult to tell tell me just watch the picture, right? Now what you need, well, we have to calculate it. We have to make the calculation, right? Or like, then I cut it down, different shape. It is different shape, right? Then this is now we have some triangle. We have, this is looks like triangle, this is looks like rectangle, this is looks like a semicircle, or how a quarter circle. So like this, right? So at the beginning it was just rectangle. Now our shape become this kind of shape, is called composite shape, right? Composite body, composite body, composite shape, or composite body. Okay, like here. So composite body. What is the composite body? The body is a combination of different geometrical shape, like this, or this. Okay, different geometrical shape. Like this is the rectangle, this is a triangular, or like this, right? Different type of the geometric shape, combination different shape. Its name is composite body. Composite body. As example here, this is the real thing, right? You see in the road, you can see this. So this is here, you see it like this. This is the composite body. Composite shape is composite, right? So how to find the center of them? Center of CG is, you see CG, center of gravity of the center of a composite body. So if it is the rectangle, if it is the rectangle, so we select if it is a rectangle, or so we get the center here, right? But if it is like this or like this, like this one, if it is the like this one shape, then how we find the center, right? How can find the center? If it is like example, if our shape is like this, how we can find the center? Okay, and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Now in that case, this is the composite body with different shape. What we do, we make the we make the section of regular shape, right? So this is now rectangle, and this is now what is circle? You say the quarter circle, and we make this become one triangle, this rectangle, right? So here we make one section, we make different one is a rectangle, 2 is a square or rectangle, 3 is a triangle, and 4 is a quarter circle, right? Now we find each one center and divide by center, right? We find center for suppose this one, right? We find center for this one. Okay, area of this one like 1, we say 1. Area of this one is A1, okay, and its center is here, x1 distance, x1, so x1. Then we find area of 2, so area of 2, and center is x2. Then we have 3, area A3, and center maybe from here is x3, okay. And we have area 4, and center is at x4, right? x4, and we add them up. We add all of them. We make the error. Then divided by all the total area. Total area is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4, and then we will get the x bar average. Okay, this is where we will get the x bar. So if it is a composite area, what we do, we divide in a regular shape, regular known shape, whatever we know, right? We know the rectangle, we know the quarter circle, semicircle, we know the triangle, we know the rectangle. Then for each of them we multiply each center and then it's enter into x1, and then we get the divided by the total area, then we get the x bar. So x bar, in simply we can get summation of a summation of I equal to 1 to 4, and the summation of x into I, right? This formula we can write down in mathematically. How can we write down? X bar equal to summation of ai equal to, how many we have? I equal to starting from 1, so 1 2 3 4 5 4 a into 4, or instead of the 4, if we have n number of section, we can write n, and ai and xi I equal to 1. So 1 2 3 4, we can write in 4. If it is the up to n, so we can write in n. So this is the formula. So what is the formula? Formula is simple formula to find the x bar for a to find the x bar for a composite body. This is the formula. Is simple, right? What is the formula? Is simple. I write down it. X bar equal to summation of n I equal to 1 to n, and summation of I equal to 1 to n xi into a1. Similarly, very simple, y1 equal to simply everything is same. Here I equal to 1 n summation of I equal to I, and n I equal to 1, y bar also same, I1, only we write down yi. That's it. We write down yi. So where is our lecture slide? Has disappeared. Just wait for a minute. It's coming back again. Disappeared, right? It has disappeared. Where we have? So just a moment. We have to find it. Somewhere it's lost. So here. So whatever we have written there is lost, doesn't matter. So we can do from the beginning, doesn't matter. So x bar, we learned what x bar I wrote for you. X bar equal to summation of the all the individual area into I equal to 1 xi, right, into n. Similarly, y, for y bar everything is same. Y bar everything is same. I equal to 1 to n I, and everything is same x I equal to 1 to n. Instead of the x, here I will write xi. Right? Xi means I just wrote down for you the x1 a1 plus x2 a2 plus x3 is x3 a3, right? So instead of the writing and dot, we have xn an. Okay, instead of writing the xi, we write down x many times, we write down I, right? And we say summation of xi equal to 1. So I equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to n, right? And I. Clear now? So this is the formula. This is the formula. Then we can calculate the area of the center of the composite body. Now we go to the composite body. So there is a composite body. Now we will learn now how to calculate the center. Locate the center of the plate area. Suppose this is the parent plate and center area, and they put here the they put here what they put. The x-axis is there. X-axis is this one is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. Okay. Now this is the composite area, right? How many area we have here? We can select, right? We suppose we make this is the triangle is 1. Triangle is 1. We can make whatever section you want to make. You can make this is 2, and this rectangle is 3, or you can make whatever you want, or you can make like this. This is rectangle. This rectangle is 2, and this is 3, right? Whatever you want. So in my case, just to assume anything, we can do whatever you like. You can choose, but at the end your answer will be same. But the trick is, when you do, you try always to make it easy. Section 1, and if you make this section, this is the 2 and this is 3. Okay, then our x bar will be, what is the x bar? So x bar will be, now our formula a1, we just learn it, right? A1, A2, A3. We have three area. So A1, A2, and A3, and it will multiply by the x1, x2, and x3, and just put 1. So this is our formula, right? This is our formula here. So if we want to calculate, first we calculate the A1, right? Area 1. So area 1 is how much? We calculate the area. Yes. First one is we write down x bar equal to, so x bar equal to, yes, so x bar area, so half base is how much? 3 into how much? 3 into, here we have 2 and 3, right? 2 plus 1, 3. So A1 is done, right? Plus A2. What is A2? A2 is 2 into, tell me please, A2 equal to 2 into 2. 2 into 2, right? 4. Plus, right? Plus. And what else we have? 3. A3 is 2 plus 1. So we have 2 plus 1 in 2 plus 1 into what? 1, right? 3. Done. So A1 is how much? A1 equal to 4.5, right? A1, this is, if you calculate, equal to, it will give you 4.5. So 4.5. Now 4.5. What is x1? Now something you need to know, you need to learn, right? I teach you before, previous class, right? That's why I told you the two classes connected, right? I teach you previous class that what is the, now x1, what is the x1? What is the x1? 3. It's wrong there, I tell you. So our x1 is where? I teach you last class. I teach you, if you remember, right? If you remember, you must have to remember that center of triangle is here, somewhere here. So from if it is the B, so from here to here is 1/3 of B, if you remember, and from the top it is 2/3 of B. And if it is the H, the center is here. So it is from the base 1/3 of H, and from the top it is 2/3 of. So our center is this, right? Okay, this is the center. Now if we calculate, so our center is somewhere here for triangle. Only. Now we are considering triangle. So 1/3 of B is 3, right? Here x is our axis is, where is our axis? Is given in exam, may be given, may not be given. Our axis is here, right? Axis is there. Okay, so this is 3, from here to 3. So 1/3 of 3 distance is 1/3 of 3. So this is the x1. It is the x1, and area. So x1 is x1 is from here, so 1/3 of 1, okay, 1/3 of 3. All right, then plus section 2. Section 2 area is how much? 2 into 2. We already calculated. Area is 4. And what is the x2? Remember, x2 is from the axis, it is center, right? Center here 1, right? 1. Center is 1. Why 1.1? It is just center. This is 2 meters, so it is center 1, right? But remember, so this side is positive and this side is negative, so it will be -1. Remember, it is a -1. Okay, then we have another area, right? What is the area of this one? 3, right? 3. And what is the center? Center is somewhere here, so 1.5 meter distance, 1.5 meter distance, but it is again minus, so minus 1.5. So done. Okay, now you do the calculation and we'll find the x value. Do the calculation, tell me the x value, please, quickly. Tell me please, what is the result? Tell me please. For triangle, how means, what do you mean by triangle? For triangle, last class we teach you already. Now again I am teaching you, I am showing you triangle, right? Here I wrote here, sorry doctor, I have bad connection. Okay, no problem. You can ask me anytime, as many times as you want. If you don't understand, as many times as you want, you can ask me. It's very simple. I told you again. You know, for rectangle, it is just middle, right? If it is a B, okay, who tell the Kamal Ashraf? Just wait. Okay, I answer for the Hussain Jawad or Abdullah Muhammad bin Abdullah. I answer for him, and then I teach him fast, and then to the head, right? For rectangle, you know, this is the half of B and this is half of H. But what is triangle? How about triangle? Our triangle is here. I draw it more larger or more bigger. Okay, here. So here is, again, I am telling many times, suppose this distance is B. So from the base it is 1/3 of B, 1/3 of B, and from here, from the top, it is 2/3 of B. Okay, 2/3 of B. This is the in x direction. This is in x direction, and y direction again same. This is 1/3 of suppose it is H. It is all total is H. Okay, so 1/3 of H, 1/3 of H, and from the top it is 2/3 of H. Okay, now here we are calculating x bar. From here to here is from the base, right? So 1/3 of B equal to 3, right? B equal to 1/3 of B equal to 3. So 1/3 of 3, right? Now someone got the answer minus 3.48, right? Minus, that minus means, so x bar is actually minus, that is somewhere here, somewhere in the minus side. It is in the left side. Okay, it is in the left side. It is in the left side. Where x bar in the left side, 0.3, like something, it is something here, somewhere here, right? Now somewhere there. Now let's check the, I'm waiting for the for your attendance, but it is not working, right, for everybody. Now similarly we will calculate, we need to calculate the y bar, right? How you calculate y bar? Y bar is everything is same, y bar, only we write down here y, y, all are the same thing, is y bar equal to y1, y2 and y3, everything is same. So here all the same, so only we will change here, this is y, this is y will be changing, this will be changing, and this will be changing, everything will be same. All right, y bar. Now y equal to, so first similarly, first what is this section 1? First, now we are thinking now in this way, in this ratio. For section 1, as I write down here, it is the y bar is the from the base. So this is the from the base, center somewhere here. So 1/3 of h, and h is how much? H is our 3, 2 and 3. So 1/3 into h. H equal to, again, h equal to here 3. 1/3 of y bar equal to y1 equal to 1/3 y1 equal to 1/3 of h equal to 3 into 4. Then we have section 2. Section 2 is center is here, right? So from here to here is 1 meter, and we have from here to here is 1 meter. So 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1. Distance is y bar distance is we are calculating from x-axis, right? X-axis from here to here 1 plus center is 1. And then y3 is from here to here is how much? Center is 0.5. It is 1, so it will be 0.5. So it is 0.5. Now everything is same. Now you calculate, tell me what is the y bar. 1.22, someone else 1.22, what is 1 into 4? What does mean 1.22? 1.22, Hussain Jawad 1.22. So 1.22 is something, one here, somewhere here, right? So 1.22 meter, right? So let's check the result is there. So they have done their one way. Yes, your answer is correct, right? Their answer is correct. So but they have done in different way. They have select the, look, they have think in the book. So they did, it is the section 1, the section 2, and they deduct it. So more complicated. I think this is the easier one. So our time is finished. So you have any question? Tell me, please. Hello. Okay. If you don't have any question, we can finish here. Doctor, about second shape. Kamal Ashraf. Second. Tell me what problem. Why? Okay. Y1 plus 1. So distance. We are calculating the y distance. Who are asking the question? Kamal Ashraf. Yes. Look. Our second part, second section, this is the section 2, right? This is section 2. Center is here. Now we are calculating distance from x, okay? So from x is how much? So here is, it is 2 meter, right? So we know from the bottom of this section 2, it is 1 meter. It is from bottom of this is our rectangle. So you know at the middle is 1 meter, but we are calculating from the x-axis. The x-axis distance is still 1 meter, right? So total is from 1 on a 2. So total is 1 plus 1. Clear now? Come on, stuff. Clear? Okay, fine. Thank you. So any question you have? Next class we will continue this chapter, but still if you have any question, still you can ask me question. No problem. So if you don't have any questions, so we can then you can leave. We can finish our lecture.